Difference between prefix and postfix operators in C. If A is variable, then ++A is called prefix addition and A++ is called postfix addition. Int A equals 5. A++, the value of A is 6. Int B equals 5. ++B, the value of B is 6. Then what is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment operator? What is the difference between pre-decrement and post-decrement operator? Let's discuss with a simple example. Int A equals 5, B. B equals ++A, 2 steps in this expression. B equals ++A will be evaluated as 2 steps. Step 1, A equals A plus 1. Step 2, B equals A. So value of A is 6 and value of B is 6. Now we will discuss about postfix operation. Int A equals 5, B. B equals A++, 2 steps in this expression. B equals A++ will be evaluated as 2 steps. Step 1, B equals A. Step 2, A equals A plus 1. So value of A is 6 and value of B is 5. That is, value of A is assigned to B first, then value of A is incremented. Conclusion. When we use prefix operator in expression, first pre-increment will be done, then incremented. Value will be assigned to corresponding variable. When we use postfix operator in expression, first value will be assigned to corresponding variable and increment will be done.